What's up, fam? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video, guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notifications on so you can notify every time. With that being said, you guys, I just got a phone call saying that a package came. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm very much excited, y'all. I'm just showing y'all the energy. Let's get it, man. It's like 91 degrees right now, you guys. But I just got a call saying the package came, and I'm shocked because it came quick as I don't know what. But make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notifications so you get notified every time. That's all I post. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? So we back to the stuff. This is something for the Infinity. Yes. Something for the Infinity. I'm very excited because the idea, oh my gosh, when y'all see this car put together fully to the specifications, stuff that I wanted it for, and y'all see you know, the inspiration behind this whole concept. You know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna okay, if you picked up on it, you picked up on that part. But anyways, you guys, so get home, check this part, see if it's what I think it is. You guys do an unboxing, open it, and then we're gonna try to get this installed in the car. Maybe not today, so because it's kind of hot right now, or maybe later on tonight. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, I already threw this out, but it comes with one of these foam pads on top of it, the light, and then you got a foam pad underneath it. So we pull the light out real quick. Oh, what in it? So as y'all can see, this is the passenger light. I got LEDs, bulbs to go where this halogen amber light turn signal. I got an LED white light to go in there, and we got an LED light reverse light. So I'm gonna actually show y'all how you change that, and then we'll get to uninstalling and putting the light in. So all right, you guys, so in order to remove your tail light out, as y'all know, we are going with the new tail lights. So I'm gonna actually grab that out the box to show y'all how that looks real quick. But what you need is, excuse the chunk is a little dirty, you guys, but I'm using a ratchet with an 8mm socket. I have applies just in case. I have this tab puller that I use, but you can use a flathead screwdriver, same thing works. But basically that's all you need. So you're gonna have 3 bolts. Alright, you guys, so as you can see, it is a tab right here. My tab is already out. I really don't know why it's out right now, but it's probably, I was trying to do something and I took it out and never put it back in. But it's a tab right here, and then you have a tab right here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pop this one out. Again, I have this little tab removal tool, but you definitely can use a flathead screwdriver for this. So that's out. So now I'm gonna pull back the cloth. That way I can expose the bolts. So you got 2 right here that's visible, and then you have 1 right here. So you can go ahead and unscrew the bolts, or you can go ahead and unclamp this assembly piece. So what I'm probably gonna do is, because it never cooperates with me and my nails, use a flathead and push it. If it cooperates, you guys. There we go. This will be your connector to your lights. So the one thing I do like about I guess you could say Nissan Infinity, excuse me. I know my maximum is different because it's like 1998. So, but with the Infinity, they normally use like 1 connector piece to connect all the lights instead of having like a bunch of individual wires running back here. So they have all the wires running into this little connector. So that makes it easy for when you're replacing the lights and stuff like that. So you got that unconnected. Take your 8mm with your socket, or 2, whatever you want to do. Oh snap. And you're going to unscrew it. So you're going to untighten it. loosen it enough. Since I don't have a long socket like the long one, I didn't even look for an 8 long one. I know I got a 10 for sure. Because if y'all checked out the video of me removing the bumper, the front bumper, and replacing the fender and stuff, you check that video out. Oh, that's tightened. Okay. I'm gonna just break these so I can just screw them off. And I also pull this one back too, to help with like exposing everything. And then you have two, I don't know y'all see, y'all got two like safety tabs on the side of the thing with caps on it. So I actually put the driver's side in already, and for that I literally popped it out. I just went ahead and full blown pull and pop. So yeah, that's that too. So I'm basically gonna go ahead and take those out, and then before I pull the light fully out, I'll jump the camera back up. So what I did, these are little safety tabs I was talking about. I can't even see it. These are the little safety tabs I was talking about that is in the back. So literally what I did is I literally, hold on y'all, hold on. I literally just pulled the light out, took a flathead and lifted it from right here. I went ahead and pulled the light out, and the rubber seal should pop out. So you got the little rubber seal. Let's see if I can get it. The rubber seal right here. Pop that out. There you go. The light is out. So with the new light, as y'all can see, I got the new light right here. Since I'm going LED bulbs, I don't have to take these two bulbs out. So your tail turn signal and your reverse light. So I'm going LED, I don't have to take those out. So I'm gonna leave those in there. I don't have anything to take off the back because as you can see, right here we got the assembly and everything. So this right here is your turn signal light, and this is your reverse light, and then this is the halo rings, I guess you could say. So the kind of so those don't come out, but yeah, I don't have to take none of that off. So here I go how the car look without the light. Ooh. So now I'm gonna go ahead and set the camera back up, put the LED bulbs back in, and then we can go ahead and install it. So now I'm fixing to pop out the lights. So you have the turn signal light signal right here. Again, I'm going like the white LED look. So I'm actually even not going to touch. Don't touch. I guess you didn't know. Do not touch a headlight bulb or anything with your hand, because the oils off your hand can cause it to blow out faster. So that's the fun of that. So I'm about to snatch the glove on real quick to grab it. Make sure this is not the right one. So let me switch hands real quick. So I'm about to grab it real quick. So as you see, got it. So now I'm gonna go get the LED one. So if y'all are curious what I'm running in my front turn signals, it's this bulb right here. So this one right here is in the front one. So I had to replace the driver side one. So I'm gonna probably do that sometimes. We can make a video on that. But here's the ones I'm running in the back. So yeah. So as you can see, got the bulb in. We're gonna slide it back inside here. And then I'm gonna lock it down. It's kind of hard doing all this at one time and trying to record you guys. So I'm sorry if the camera angles are a little bit shaky or whatnot. So now I'm gonna turn this, take this bulb out, and we're going with these. So honestly, you guys, this is the light I have inside the running light in the front. What else? The trunk light is this brand right here. This is not sponsored, but I like these lights. They're very bright, so that's what I'm running, and the reverse tail lights and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm gonna install this, and I always keep my old bulbs just in case. You never know what happens, but I got all my old bulbs I took out, just put them in back, replace and put it back inside here. Honestly, if something was to happen, I don't think I would ever go back to halogen. I just order some more LEDs. But I don't know, maybe people want this, but I do have like bulbs like. Well, y'all, I'll just drop the bulb. But yeah, again, I'm gonna put that in. I'll show y'all that, and then after that, we will be ready to put the light back inside. So now, as y'all can see, we got the lights replaced. See the LED light right there? You see that? So now what I'm about to do real quick is hook it up to this and test everything, make sure everything is working. That way I can tell if I need to change the light up, blah blah, or something is out around. Okay? So be tuned, stay tuned. Be right back. Project, and I'm also gonna include, because I took the driver side one out first, and I'm gonna include a clip on how you take the trunk button out and how it looks taking out the old one and stuff like that. So I'm gonna include a clip for that, and then I'm gonna show y'all the finished product. And then the driver side light, you want to take the trunk button. For the driver side light, you want to take the trunk button off and detach it from the clip. So on your new light assembly, you're gonna take this. Yeah, I don't know why. Yeah, I had to fight to get the driver's side light off. But you're gonna take this, stick this right here, stick your light back in, put your 2 screws back in it, and click it back into right here. This blue cord right here for your trunk release button. So yeah. See, as you guys can see, here's the finished product. Of course, I need a wash. And here I go to finished product. Well,